What we're going to need for this installation is a microfiber towel, a squeegee, blade, cleaning solution, soapy water, and a heat gun. If you don't have a heat gun, we could always use a hairdryer. What we're going to receive in the Charger Racetrack is the actual tint itself. We're going to receive a blade, squeegee, and the microfiber towel. In order to make the soapy water for your tint installation, what you're going to need is a spray bottle, baby shampoo. If you don't have baby shampoo, you could also use dishwasher soap, and distilled water. Now we grab the spray bottle and we add 1 or 2 drops of shampoo, and we fill up the rest with distilled water, and then you have your soapy water ready. In order to make your cleaning solution or tack solution, we want an empty spray bottle, 50 or 70% isopropyl alcohol, and distilled water. We want to fill up the spray bottle with 20% of alcohol and then fill up the rest with distilled water. Now we're just going to clean over the area with cleaning solution. We're going to use our soapy water. We're going to spray our hands. Now we're going to use the guide here, and we're going to start towards the edge on the top. Now what I did to the top, I'm going to do to the bottom. The next thing you want to do is you want to go over with the heat gun both on the top and the bottom. What you want to do here is create a slit